Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today we have a product from 1byone. This is their auto learning code wireless door chime. You can get this guy in either one transmitter and two ringers, or one transmitter and one ringer. We have the two ringer, obviously. You can check it out on Amazon for $23.99. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check that out. And I'll also leave a link to 1byone where you can check out all the products that they have going on. This is the package it comes in. It's one of those clamshell packages here that are very hard to open. So I took everything out first. Again, auto learning code wireless door chime, features a 300-foot range, has a self-learning code system, automatically adjusts to eliminate interference with other devices, 36 chime codes that you can pick from, and the remote transmitter button is rated IP44 weatherproof and is acceptable for outdoor use. So this little guy here that will be basically be your doorbell, you can mount this guy outside. It's rated IP44, so you don't have to worry about rain or anything like that getting into it and having a problem with that. Now there are some real in-depth specs here, the frequency, the ring volume, operating range, and so on. I'm going to leave this up here for you guys. If you want to hit the pause button, you can, and check that out. Some of it for real technical people would really like to see that. Other people could care less, but I'll leave it up there anyway. Now the power supply, the receivers take two regular AA batteries. They don't include those AA batteries. The transmitter is a 3-volt CR2032 battery, which they do include right here with the setup. So you have that. It's just a regular watch style battery. Now on the back they also have their website, which is www.1byone.com. I'll have that in the description below. The telephone number, their service email, and even their address. If you need to get in touch with them, you can do that. So let's take a look at the stuff that comes inside. There is an instruction manual here. Lists what should be in here: 2 receivers, 6 wall plugs, 1 transmitter, 6 screws, and just to give you a little tip, if you guys open this up and you don't see them right away, the screws and the wall plugs are actually inside the battery compartments for these guys. So just to give you an idea, you'll take your batteries and just put them right in here, no problem. Take your wall screws out so that you can mount this guy. Obviously they've got places for mounting here to your wall, anywhere you would like to in your house, and then you've got a connection button, and you've got a volume button so that you can check and see how much, and you've also got this chime button here where you can select up to 36 different chimes here. So we'll go from there. Again, more tech specs, the same stuff that we had already had on the back. Again, auto learning code button. This will sync up with your transmitter. We already went over that as well. The battery installation in the transmitter, you're pretty much just going to take like a small screwdriver, peel off the back, and then put in your CR2032, and you're good to go. So these are more for installation. You have your wall screws that you will mount either your receivers, and then your transmitter has some double-sided tape that you can use to mount this. They do give you this guy here. It's a 3M adhesive. I don't know how well this will stack up if you leave this, like, say, on like your front porch. You may have to reapply it every once in a while, but they don't really give you a mounting option for this for the transmitter here, other than that double-sided tape, which I guess in this situation would be fine since it's such a large area. It should, as long as it's applied to something nice and smooth, you shouldn't have any problems with that either. So again, they give you some of their information as far as their website and all that stuff as well. So that's the instruction manual. You do have a warranty card for this guy. They will repair or replace this unit if it malfunctions because of imperfection in material workmanship, and they do give you their information again, their website on the back, 1 full year manufacturer warranty, and you can fill this out, send it into them, and you will be good to go. And I'm pretty sure you could probably go to their website and actually register it as well. So it's good to hold on to your warranty card, because it's going to warranty this guy for up to a year for you. So if we open this guy in the back here and we put our battery in, And then we put this guy back on, which should be that part of the deal. As you can see, I just pushed it and it rang. Let's see if we can actually check some of the tones out. And as you can see, there are several tones that you can select. And they keep going on. I mean, you've got 36 of them, so you're good to go with 36 different tones. And I pulled the battery on that just because I wanted to continue the review instead of listening to the rest of them. So as you can see, it works. It's very well. The mounting options on the back are excellent. You can put two of these. You can sync both of them up at the same time, so you can have them in two different spots in your house. The transmission is up to 300 feet there, so you can pretty much get through most walls and in most houses and be able to hit pretty much any area you want. Maybe put one of these in the basement, maybe put one on the 3rd floor, and then put this near your front door or right next to your, where your ringer would normally be or doorbell would normally be, and is very excellent. They're nice, they're very loud if you want them to be, but there are you can adjust the loudness on them so they're not so loud, which is excellent. They give you all the mounting hardware you need. The only thing that I wish is they would have had a more of a permanent mounting solution for this button, the transmitter, but the 3M tape should work no problem as long as you do a good installation on it. Make sure that you're putting it on something very flat and very clean. This double-sided 3M tape should work perfect. So overall, we definitely give this guy a thumbs up for from 1byone. Again, this was the Auto Learning Code Wireless Door Chime by 1byone, and you can pick it up on Amazon. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about this guy, leave them in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please like and subscribe, and we'll check you guys out on the next video.